Well, hello everyone, and we're happy to bring you this SciSpace review. Is this the best ChatGPT alternative for research? Well, SciSpace is an AI assistant built specifically for the scientific community. Now, SciSpace isn't just another AI tool, it's a research-first assistant that helps you at every stage of your scholarly workflow. So in this review, we'll be delving into the features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make this your alternative for ChatGPT. Now, the foremost feature is the SciSpace agent, which is the latest AI-powered research assistant from SciSpace. And this workspace can handle your entire research workflow. A single prompt right here will activate an all-in-one research powerhouse that understands your goals and automates every task, including searching, reading, analyzing, and writing, so you focus less on the grunt work and more on the breakthroughs. For example, you can use SciSpace for manuscript writing, where you get to generate or restructure academic papers with journal formatting and scientific logic. If you're a data analyst, you can use data visualization, where you can generate charts, graphs, and infographics from research data in academic formats. And if you're into patent and prior art search, you can use semantic AI to find global patents related to your research topics. And these are just some of the use cases. Now, we have the link in the description below where you can get a 40% discount on the purchase of SciSpace Agent's add-on credits. Now, some of its other key features include Chat with PDFs, where you can upload a research paper and ask the AI questions directly about its content. It provides concise answers with citations from the paper itself. You also have AI literature review. SciSpace can help you conduct comprehensive literature reviews by searching its massive database of over 270 million papers, helping you identify trends and key insights. Then you have the AI writer or paraphraser. This platform includes a suite of writing tools to help you draft manuscripts, paraphrase text, and generate citations in over 2,500 formats, making the writing process much faster. You also have data extraction, where it can extract specific data points from multiple PDFs and present them in a clean tabular format for easy analysis. SciSpace CoPilot is a feature that works as an in-browser assistant, providing on-the-fly explanations and summaries for any text, tables, or equations you highlight on a web page or in a PDF. And now let's get into the pricing so you can pick the right plan for your needs. There is a free plan and it is great for getting started. You have key features, although it has a limited access to the Space Agent, a set of number of AI actions in the writer tool, and basic paper summarization. You also have the premium plan, and this plan is designed for individual researchers and offers a powerful set of tools. The pricing is at $12 per month and it has unlimited chats with papers and PDFs, unlimited literature review searches, and unlimited AI actions in the writer tool. The advanced plan is at $70 per month, but it comes with everything in the premium plan, a significantly higher number of credits for the AI agent usage, and more parallel tasks. You also have the Teams plan at $8 per user per month, and this comes with everything in the premium plan and the advanced plan. As you can see, it also has a discounted pricing with more users, so this is great for teams working together in research purposes. And although we've mentioned the features, here are the pros and cons, and starting with the pros. SciSpace, on the bright side, has a scientific focus. Now, unlike general AIs, it's specifically trained on scientific literature, ensuring more accurate and relevant results. You also have a comprehensive toolkit where it integrates various tools from literature reviews to writing assistants into one platform, and this definitely will be streamlining your workflow. If you're worried about privacy, this is another pro, as your uploaded PDFs are kept private and are not used to train the public model, which is different from general AI tools. Citation-backed answers. It provides answers with citations from the source material, which is a crucial feature for academic integrity. And when it comes to its multilingual use, it supports over 75 languages, making it a valuable tool for a global audience of researchers. And on the cons, you have the learning curve. With its wide range of features, new users might need some time to get familiar with its capabilities. But if you're a ChatGPT user or another AI user, it shouldn't be a hassle. And with any AI, you have internet dependency. Like most AI tools, it requires a stable internet for optimal performance. Then you have the credit system. Some of the more advanced features operate on a credit system, which can be a limitation for very high-value users on lower tier plans. The free plan, while great, has its limitations, as most of the powerful features are reserved for paid subscribers. In conclusion, SciSpace is a game changer for anyone in the scientific community. Its research-first design and integrated tools makes it a powerful alternative to generic AI assistants. So whether you're an undergraduate trying to understand a paper or a seasoned professional conducting a literature review, SciSpace can dramatically speed up your process and improve the quality of your work. The premium plan offers the best value for most users, unlocking unlimited access to its most powerful features for a fair price. We have the link in the description and a coupon for you to get 40% discount on the purchase of SciSpace Agents add-on credits. And this is applicable to paid users on a limited time offer. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.